Most people get this comparison completely wrong. They assume CoinPop and Mistplay are basically the same app with different logos. But here's the truth no one tells you. These apps reward you in very different ways, and the one that pays more depends on how you actually use them in 2026. In this video, you'll learn how CoinPop and Mistplay really work, which one pays more in real-world usage, which one is easier to earn from, and which one is actually worth your time. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll break down a simple strategy that helps you earn more from both without wasting hours. Let's start with CoinPop. CoinPop pays you for downloading and playing mobile games. You earn points based on time spent in specific games, and those points can be redeemed for PayPal Cash or gift cards. It sounds simple, but here's the catch. Earnings vary a lot depending on the game offers available in your region. Now Mistplay works a little differently. Mistplay also rewards you for playing games, but it uses a loyalty system where you earn units based on game time, level progress, and engagement. It also tends to focus more on long-term play rather than short bursts. But here's where it gets interesting. CoinPop usually gives faster early rewards because new game installs often come with higher payout rates. Mistplay, on the other hand, becomes more consistent over time if you stick with it and play regularly. Let's compare real usage. Imagine Alex installs CoinPop and tries 3 new games in a week. He may see quick early earnings, especially from new user offers. Now Jake uses Mistplay daily, sticks with a few games, and slowly builds units over time. Jake's earnings are more stable, but slower at the start. But here's the problem most users face. They quit too early on Mistplay because they don't see instant results, while they overuse CoinPop and run out of high-paying offers quickly. That's why many people think both apps don't pay well, when in reality they are just using them wrong. Now let's talk payouts. Both apps generally support gift cards and PayPal options depending on region. CoinPop is often quicker for short-term cash-outs, while Mistplay feels better for consistent long-term rewards. So which one pays more in 2026? The honest answer is this. CoinPop can pay more in the short term if you focus on new game offers. Mistplay can pay more over time if you stay consistent and level up in games. Now, here's the smartest way to use both. Use CoinPop for quick early earnings when new offers appear. Use Mistplay for steady background earnings while you play regularly. That combination gives you the highest total reward without relying on just one app. To wrap it up, CoinPop is better for fast rewards, Mistplay is better for consistency, and neither is a full-time income tool. They work best as side-earning apps when used strategically. If this comparison helped you, like the video, comment which app you prefer, and subscribe for more honest earning app breakdowns that save your time.